Writing a video script is like building a bridge between your message and your audience. Today, I'm gonna show you how to build that bridge step by step like I would as a former TV news anchor and corporate communications manager to make sure your story not only reaches, but truly connects with your viewers. All right, first things first, what's the goal of your video? Letting your customers know about a new service, addressing a problem, a sales pitch. Identifying your objective sets the tone for everything that follows. Next, who's your audience? This is a must. Let me briefly take you back to my time in corporate communications. I can still hear my boss reminding me, audience, audience, audience. Didn't matter if it was an individual email, one-pager, or a video. And it was the same message in TV news. This section could be an entire video, but I hope you always remember your audience when you plan. Now, let's talk openings, also called a hook. You've got seconds to grab attention. Start with something intriguing, a question, a surprising fact, or a story. Make your audience think, I need to watch this. With competition for attention at an all-time high, this is a very important part of the process. Most people tend to overwrite. Your goal is to be the easiest to understand. Simple sentences work best. How you talk depends on your audience, but generally your script should sound like you're having a conversation, but keep it professional. Bonus tip, read your script out loud. How does it sound? This method can help you work out some tricky sentences. Now, a script isn't just words. It's also a blueprint for visuals and sound. Use stock footage, images, graphics, and audio to bring that script to life. Make it engaging, but use visuals to reinforce your message, not distract. And finally, end with impact. Sum up your points, reaffirm your message, and leave your audience with something memorable. A strong finish can make your video unforgettable. Well, if you need a hand in bringing that video script to life, Dashti Media is here to help. Contact us and let's bring your script to life.